open first. Sa terminal ng Victory, papuntang Manawan. Sama si Gigit. Why are you busy? Matibig talking. Nahilo ka ata sa bus. Nahilo ka. Sila? Sabi ko sa'yo, iwag ka nga eh. Hilo ka? Hilo si Gets? Maalis na, may nangihiyong bata. Hello. Hindi sanay sa biyahe. Alright. Sabas na kami. Pagkang Manawag. Magpapa-update. Maya ulit na may nahilong bata. Ay pa din kahit hilo. Oh, dito na kami sa Camp Abat. Kampo, mayroong batang nahilo.
Hindi na, kunti pa rin.
Kunti natulog sa bus. Mukha bruha siya ni Hamster na. Hakbang.
Bang!
Hakbang. Mamaya na ulit. Magpapa-update mo. Kami. Mamaya na ulit po. Kasi hilo pa si Madi. Yan na yung...
But his family also died.
What?
He died because they were so old.
Yan na yung...
And then...
Arko ng... Camp Abat. Lapit na kami. Lakad lang. Ayan, si Gidagi. Si Didison. Harap ka, Day. Mukha ka na bruha sa buhok mo. Harap ka dito, ah. Hindi ka man humarap, mag-hi ka, ah. Didi. Doon tuwa, nakaakar na naman si Inday. Kami ngayon sa Manawag, sa Camp Abat, para mag-update living status niya. Hi ka muna. Maya ulit. Big tree, B.
I want to climb it.
Tanda na itong puno na to, B.
Okay, come on, let's walk.
Oh, okay. Mamaya, pagsasakay ng bus, hilo ka na naman. Kasi na mga puno dito, oh. Lamig.
I want to climb.
Want to climb. Akad. Akad ulit. Ay, para mawala ang pagod. Okay. Sige. Salamat. Tapos na yung update namin. Explore lang muna ng konti daw si Madi dito. Uwi na kami. Init dyan, be. Kami sa Camp Abat sa Manawag. Oh, halika, saan yung butterfly? Halika dito, mainit na dyan. Malaglag ka dyan, sige. Halika na. Ganda dito. Ang view. Ano yan? Camp Abat. Halika na. Ayan, bubuyog. Yan kasi. Yan kasi. Yan, sige ka nakikinig Sa Manawag Church. Galit. Galit na naman. Ano? Hagis kandila Nawag church na kami. Pagkatong, lakad, Madi. Madi. Galit na naman siya. May nakita siyang lubo. Gustong bumili. May misa.
Pag sinabi kong kaya mamuhay, yung okay lang sa kanya, hindi siya kinikibo ng lahat. Yung okay lang sa kanya, na maraming galit sa kanya.
Thank you.
Kuminsan may mga tao na kayang tiisin ang mag-isa.
Ulit.
Yung wala po, please pray for him lang.
Manawag church.
Go to Mama Mary, Big Mama Mary there.
Sa harap ng simbahan, sa harap ng humihingi siya para sa asawa niya.
Pray ka naman. Pray ka dapat.
And sometimes, medyo exaggerated yung point.
Sige, una ka na lang.
Pero kung minsan ganun yung magiging proper response natin, is just pray for him. Yung nasaktan, just
Kami
be
dun
patient
sa
with the
candle.
person. It is not your loss. It is the person's loss. Kasi kung minsan,
Big Mama Mary, terik ng kandila. Thank you, Mama Mary. Go. Doon, oh. Tindihan doon. You pray first. Doon, ba? Doon, oh. Okay. Doon. Dito, ba? Sindi. Thank you. Thank you. Not like that. You put in the hole, be. Hole. Yan. Oh, let it be na. Pray ka. Pray. Thank you. Ano kay Big Mama Mary? Ha?
They're already broken.
Oo. Dito. Ito muna tayo. Pray muna tayo dito. Pray. Mary sa Manawag. Thank you for guiding us always. Thank you for everything po.
Are you going to mount?
Yes. That's for the thank you candle and for the souls of our loved ones. Babe, punta ka doon sa may fountain. Video kita kay Mama Mary doon. Makapunta kami dito.
There's a lot of kids here. Look at that one over there. Ooh.
Pagod na si Inday. Mahilo na naman ito mamaya sa bus. Walk ka doon. Walk doon. Waving ka sa mga kids. Ikipagkaibigan tinangan natin kung di siya mag-shy. You need to say hi daw. Nakalabas sa hawla. Kahanap siya ng playmate niya. Oh. Kahanap ka ng playmate mo?
I made a new friend.
siya sa Jollibee. Ngayon lang siya makapag-Jollibee. Punta ka doon kay Jollibee. Tabi ka doon. Wow! Get inside. Ano gusto mo? What do you want? Order ka na. Order. Ayan, Lara. Chicken? Ito chicken? Dalgal ka? Yun ang order niya. Kain na muna siya. Oh. Wala na siyang pamasahe pa uwi. Wala ka ng pamasahe sa bus, be. Ah, still have fare for ano? Where is your money? Nagutom yung... Tingin ka na dyan. You're hungry? You have a long day. O, ingit dyan si Ate Bien, o, mayroon kang coke float. Nasa school. Kain mo na. Kain ka muna, kama. Going to eat muna, guys. Ha? What did you say? What did you say nga kanina? What?
You know why I have Jollibee kanina? Because I haven't seen the burger.
Yeah, because we don't have enough money pa to, ano, di ba?
Play family sa Jollibee.
Wala. Wala dito.
Saan yun?
And the other Jollibee. Here, wala.
Punta tayo doon pag meron tayo ng pera. Na ibang Jollibee.
Okay. Careful matapon sa'yo. Hindi ganyan. Happy na si Didi. Nakakain sa Jollibee, walang ulam mamaya. Sausaw mo sa ice cream. Sarap, sabi mo.
You want to try, guys?
Taste what? Yummy? Why? You don't like it maybe?
It's so yummy that I just taste it.
Why?
Do you want some? If yes, go comment no, no, no. So if you want, you can just yum, 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 yum.
Lapit na maubos. Spaghetti naman. Kain mo yung spaghetti. Man, ulan na bi, oh. Ulan, no? Sa labas, oh. Ulan.
Paano tayo uuwi?
Ulan sa labas. Tayong dalang payong. Lagot, ulan, oh.
Dito muna tayo.
Dito na tayo matulog.
Sige.
Dito na matulog si Didi. Ngek.
Hi again, it's morning. I'm gonna see you in night time. Bye.
Kain ka na.
Bye. Paano tayo uuwi, ma?
Ha?
down below pag tutulog sila. Comment nyo na!
Ano yung comment nga? Di niya narinig.
And comment nyo down below pag tutulog sila.
Sino sila? Sino? Oo.
Si Jollibee.
Pag natutulog si Jollibee?
So you got 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You guys comment down below. I love you. Nom nom nom. Keep happy.
Burger.
Here's some burger. Do you want some?
Ulan ng ulan. Why? What? Ano? Sige na, kain ka na.
Yeah, it's yummy. Do you want some, guys?
Thank you.
Want some? Go comment. Nom nom nom.
Halos ubos mo yan ah. Talagang miss mo si Jollibee ah.
Love you. These two are my favorite.
How about spaghetti? Careful. Tsura.
I'm like in the fancy restaurant.
Mamaya, hilo ka na naman sa bus. Hilo na naman mamaya si Maddie sa bus.
That's a jeep.
What?
That's something. That's a jeep.
Van.
Remember, guys, if you see a black van, don't get into it.
Why?
There's bad people inside. They're gonna sell you to other people, or they're going to.
It's not true.
You told me that.
That's just a rumor.
You told me that. You liar, liar, liar.
It's a white van before, but that's just only a rumor.
Are you kidding me?
I'm not kidding you. It's true. Before in Facebook, they always say that there's white van going to
Hear you or sell you to other people.
oh, but only kids, only minor. They're going to get daw, but it's just only a rumor. It's not true.
Remember, guys, if you see a stranger that you don't know, don't talk to them.
Yes. Yeah,
And
that's
you don't know where you are, and your parents, they're not gonna find you. Always remember to be careful.
yeah. And don't go to strangers.
I'm saving you guys from danger because I love you.
Yeah. Kain ka na, Sirin.
Want some drinking?
Careful.
Mom, I think this is gonna be popular because Jollibee, it's very popular, so they're going to like it a lot.
Yeah.
This is gonna be famous.
Hurry up na, Sirin. Habang walang ulan, pauwi na tayo. See you again pag may money na kami ni Maddie ulit. Hoy, wala na ata laman yan ah. Tumutunog na be. No more na? No more na nga. Oh, bus na ni, bus na tular oh. Fries, burger. Ito na lang oh, may kunti pa spaghetti. Ubus mo. Para busog ka. Kaya, sakay na ulit tayong bus. Hilo-hilo ka na naman. No more na yan. Adi, ito na, ubusin mo na to.
Meron pa punta.
Ubusin mo muna to, Tani. Later. Wala ka nang iinumin. Gutom yung bata. Ubus, oh. What?
Time to finish fighting. I ate all the french fries and the...
What else? The burger.
Yeah.
And now going to drinks. Yeah. Oh, okay.
Mom, I can finish 200 pizzas.
Kaya nga. May money tayo, bili tayong pizza. Yung favorite mo, matagal mo na hindi nakain, di ba? It's been a long while.
I'm making pizza. Come back to mommy.
Sige na.
I'm so full now. I don't have it.
Busin mo na yan, ah.
Last bite. So full.
Kaya mo yan. Para busog ka. Busog na daw siya, pero kain pa rin siya. Punas mo ito tissue, oh.
Hi guys, tapos na ako nagkain. Remember, I'm gonna go home na. Lex. I'm gonna wait for you guys. I'm gonna wait for you. Bye! In the bus. Bye! Tapos na ako nagkain. Hintayin ko tayo sa bus. Always remember to be happy. And I'm gonna wait for you inside the bus. I love you. Bye, guys. Welcome to the family. Bye. We're in the bus.
Going home na.
Yeah.
For a long day.
Yeah.
Pagod na si Dudu.
Thank you, Papa Jesus, for today. It's so much fun.
Ano,
Look at the view. Look at the view. Look at the view. Wow.
Guys, we're always watching Maddie, Curly Maddie.
Look at my eyes. Bye guys. I'll see you next video. Just kidding. Keep watching until the end.
Gusto na ulit pagdating na sa bahay.
Bye bye guys.
Thank you. Always na lang tayo.
Always na lang.
God bless you po. Please subscribe. Maddie's channel always.
And also, Pearl, when you watch this video, you must like it. Thank you. Bye. 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 Nako, sarap. 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 Oh. Mamaya na lang sa bahay, guys.